But turning to national news now, after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade last week, New York is now expecting an influx of people seeking an abortion. That's because even with Roe now gone, abortion is still legal in New York. And now the state also has new legal protections for people coming here for an abortion and the providers who perform them. But last week's decision has still prompted a strong reaction from New Yorkers at rallies across the state. This week, photojournalist Thomas Connolly brings us to one of them at the state capitol.
At 36 after, we are going to collectively rage scream into the ether for everyone to hear us.
We are pulling together a vigil. Starts at 8 o'clock. And this is an opportunity for folks in the community to come together and mourn the stripping away of one of our constitutional rights, that we all woke up this morning feeling like we were somewhat free, and as of this afternoon, our freedoms have been stripped away.
Honestly, I am disgusted with how it's going in the world right now. We were protesting this over 50 years ago. Why are we doing it again? We should be supporting our sisters, our wives, our mothers, our daughters. It's sad. It's sad nowadays that we have to go back and do this all over again.
One thing I just have to say, make very clear, is that these people are not pro-life. They are just anti-abortion. If they were pro-life, children would not be getting slaughtered in their elementary school classrooms while police sat by and just looked pretty.
I just never thought I would see this day where Roe versus Wade gets overturned, but yet there's still no gun regulation to stop people from killing kids.
They've been organized for 49 years to get rid of this. We cannot wait that long. We have to fight harder and faster and better than them at this fight right now. So I need to see black, brown faces, white faces, women's faces, men's faces, people who are gender non-conforming and non-binary faces. I need to see every single person out here, and I will be out here as an angry man with no uterus whose rights were not taken away because of the fact that I love a lot of people who were.
When they say you can't talk about sex ed in school and you can't talk about gay people in school and you can't talk about condoms in school, you know what happens? Teens get pregnant, and you know what happens when teens get pregnant and they can't get abortions? You get a lot of babies that grow up in homes that aren't prepared to have babies, and you end up with these cycles. These are cyclical issues. How do we stop them? Educate yourself, go to the library. I don't know what else to tell you. That's what I've got. Thank you.
So we're just chipping away at the sort of social fabric of how we operate together, and it's really, the long-term effects, I think, are really going to be damaging, not only to individual people's lives, but to our democracy as a whole. I think in the 22 to 26 states that are going to see abortion fully illegal or severely curtailed, those Planned Parenthood affiliates are going to have to reconfigure what they do and how they do it. I think Planned Parenthoods across the country are going to become advocacy organizations first and foremost in states where they're going to have to start fighting back. Here in New York, we are fortunate to have a governor who's investing in the abortion infrastructure, who's helping us make sure that our health centers are safe.
You think about the struggle to perfect our union, and the right to choose is very much a foundational pillar in that. And to see unelected folks undermine it after 50 years of precedent, it's very, very dispiriting, but it's also important for us to continue to dig deep. And here in New York, we certainly will stay on the front lines and protect abortion and protect the right to choose and protect equality. You come to these rallies to feed off the energy, to provide your own energy, to create a collective energy to build upon, knowing that the fight is ahead.
What are we going to do tomorrow? Did you think about it?
I'm going to be here tomorrow. Is anyone else going to be here tomorrow? Because I'm going to be here tomorrow, the next day, and up until this gets turned. Every single day, before work, after, free days, this should consume all of your time, because this is happening now to everyone you know. If they're going to take away our right to health care, what is next? Our rights to vote, interracial marriage, gay couples, trans kids, what's going to happen to them next?
When you think about what Justice Thomas stated in regards to contraception and same-sex marriage, how far does it go? We're going to also ban interracial marriage too. They got it wrong, dead wrong.
Our future is us, and it has to change now. Because I don't want to be the girl that's scared in the bathroom trying to find ibuprofen or a metal hanger and be scared and hurt myself because of someone else's opinion. Thank you.